Understanding trusts. Helping you control and protect your assets. One of the most effective ways you can manage your estate planning is through setting up a trust. The structures into which you can transfer your assets can have lasting consequences for you and your family, so it is important that you obtain professional advice, as the right structures can protect assets and give your family lasting benefits. A trust is a legal arrangement where one or more trustees are made legally responsible for assets. The assets, such as land, money, buildings, shares or even antiques, are placed in trust for the benefit of one or more beneficiaries. They are not the sole domain of the super rich. Trusts are incredibly useful and flexible devices that people employ for all sorts of different purposes, including inheritance tax (IHT) planning. In its simplest form, a trust is just a legal mechanism for separating the ownership of an asset into two parts, that legal ownership or title to the asset on the one hand, and the beneficial ownership on the other hand. It is in the course of IHT planning, though, that people are most likely to come face to face with trusts and seek to get an understanding of what they are and how they work. The use is widespread and, despite some recent adverse changes in tax law, they remain an important tool in estate planning. The trust is created when the settlor transfers assets to the trustees, who hold the assets in trust for the beneficiaries. The main reason a person would put assets into a trust rather than make an outright gift is that trusts offer far more flexibility than outright gifts. The trustees are responsible for managing the trust and carrying out the wishes of the person who has put the assets into trust, the settlor. The settlor's wishes for the trust are usually written in their will or given in a legal document called the trust deed. The treatment of trusts for tax purposes is the same throughout the United Kingdom. However, Scottish law on trusts and the terms used in relation to trusts in Scotland are different from the laws of England and Wales and Northern Ireland. How can we help? With regular reviews, we can help you to ensure that you make the most of your estate planning requirements. Contact us today to find out more. Smith Equity and Trusts. 020 7193 0946